talking to Eileen, our receptionist. I said, you have at least a great view. The sun is shining. And she said, yes, but it's deceiving.
It is. It is. Beautiful morning, but as I always like to say, bright, but with a bite. And that was the case this morning. At least we're going to be perking up, though, over the next couple days. But we have some troubles to deal with along with that. First off, the webcam shot overlooking the town of Amherst. A little bit of high cloudiness starting to streak in from the west. Still is beautiful out there at lunchtime. And the temperatures, well, we're doing a little bit better than we were earlier this morning, at least. Back during the early morning hours, during the wake-up show, we actually were contending with a little bit of lake effect flurry activity up near the south shore of Lake Ontario. That has cut out, and we're looking at the sunshine over the area giving way to this stuff, cloudiness for the afternoon. This snow is going to remain north of the area this afternoon. Don't have to worry about that. It's going to be precip-free, at least for the afternoon. And there are some indications now that the precipitation on Friday, most of it, will probably hold off until the afternoon. If that does transpire, it should be warm enough by that time that it should come down in the form of liquid. Just maybe a chance of a little bit of a wintry mix maybe during the morning. So spring begins in 17 more days. We're keeping track of it for you as we head over to Super Microcast for the afternoon. Here come the clouds at us, but notice how the computer is not painting any precipitation on the map as we work through the afternoon, so at least we're looking good in that department. As we get into the nighttime period, mostly cloudy skies on tap. The breeze picks up, especially across the higher terrain to the south of the city, and there's just a chance that maybe toward morning and during the morning hours tomorrow, we might have a shower, a brief shower of sleet or freezing rain. That's about it. But then as we get into the afternoon, there's going to be a little bit of a more likelihood, at least, of a few rain showers popping up across the area, as indicated by these green shades. This yellow is actually moderate rain. I really don't see that happening. I think for the most part, the precip should be on the light side tomorrow afternoon, kind of nuisance-type value. But it's as we get into Saturday that rain that you just saw to the west of the area is going to start to head our way getting into the afternoon and Saturday night, and it's going to be a soaker. High temp this afternoon, 27 from the Falls. The Tonawanda, Amherst and Clarence, 26 at Medina, down through Batavia, down toward the southern tier, high temp forecast. Wellsville and Olean, you should peak around 25 this afternoon. Jamestown, about 27 at Hamburg, Orchard Park and West Seneca, also at Dunkirk, Fredonia. We're closing in on those numbers, at least in some places right now. 23 at Niagara Falls, down through Buffalo and Dunkirk. Still a little bit chillier, though, at Jamestown, Bradford, Wellsville. Bradford was below zero this morning. Current reading is 18 at all those locations. Sunset time at 6:08 this evening. Here's your forecast this afternoon. Sun giving way to clouds. It's still going to be chilly out there with a high between 24 to 27 degrees and a light east breeze. Overnight, mostly cloudy skies, chance of a shower of mixed precipitation toward morning, but much of the night should be precip-free. Temperatures rising through the 20s after midnight. Just a chance of a brief shower of sleet or freezing rain tomorrow morning. Otherwise, a few rain showers developing in the afternoon, becoming breezy in the hills, 35 to 39. And then on Saturday, a soaking rain develops, flood threat increases, becoming quite windy, especially in the higher terrain and along the Erie Lakeshore down in Chautauqua County, 45 to 49, and it looks like rain showers going back over to snow showers to wrap up the weekend on Sunday and a high of 33.